Welcome to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Hello there and welcome to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops, and what I've got for you today is another plate spinning video. It's a single trick. I'm just going to add this because I've been doing a few videos. I think I've done about 3 videos and getting your plate spinning, doing some basic tricks, and then some slightly more advanced tricks. So if you don't know how to spin a plate, you'll see probably a link coming above my head any moment soon, how to start spinning a plate. I'll show you a couple of ways. And if you wait for a bit longer, you'll see another link above my head, and that'll take you to the first in learning some tricks that you can do once you've got your plate spinning. So today what we're going to look at is we're going to get the plate spinning, and then we're going to turn the stick through 180 degrees, and after throwing the plate a little way into the air, we're going to catch it on the other end of the stick, and this produces quite a nice kind of effect. So let's get started. So first of all, you get your plate spinning. And what you want to do is, first of all, you'll notice what I'm doing with my right hand. I'm turning it like that, and it wants to be about halfway between the top point and the bottom point. So that's your setup before you start throwing the plate and turning the stick 180 degrees. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to actually throw it up. So what I'm going to do, get it like that, throw it up, and then I'm going to turn my stick 180 degrees. So I want to flip the plate just above, so I can just see it just a little bit above my head, so I can actually see where the centre is, the dimple right there, if you can just see there. And so it gives me a better idea, because otherwise I'm guessing. If I catch it below my eye line, I'm guessing where that dimple is, and quite a few times I'm not going to catch it on the stick. So let's see what it looks like. So look at it spinning like that. Let's see if we do it again. So we've got a double flip, and it's a really nice effect. Let's do it from the side this time. So that's what it looks like from the side. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, hit me up with a like, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this. I hope you found it useful. And until next time, this is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye-bye.